Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how you can make quinoa 3 ways. Perfect for meal prep ideas, breakfast, quick lunches, or dinner inspiration. Now, if you're looking for a healthy carb alternative, quinoa is a game changer, and I will tell you why while we cook. So let's get started.
So why quinoa? It's naturally gluten-free, which makes it a great option for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, and it's high in fiber, which will help keep you full longer and is easy to digest. So if you're ever feeling constipated or you need a good bowel movement, you should make quinoa your friend. First up, a cozy quinoa oatmeal porridge. It's the perfect warm and nourishing breakfast. There are different types of quinoa. I used white quinoa as well as the tri-colored quinoa to add a bit of color to my recipes. But honestly, I feel like white quinoa will work best in all of these recipes. This is a comforting, protein-packed start to your day. Next up, a hearty quinoa beef chili. Comfort food with a healthy twist. This meal is warm, comforting, and packed with fiber and protein. Finally, we have fried quinoa with ribeye steak, a protein-rich meal that you can have for lunch or dinner. This tiny seed packs a punch, and it's packed with vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. It's really a perfect swap for rice or pasta if you want to get more protein in your diet to help build muscle or balance your blood sugar if you have diabetes, or just to fill your body with quality nutrients. If you never had quinoa, I'd say it's definitely worth a try. Now this is a satisfying, savory meal.
And there you have it, quinoa 3 ways. Whether you're craving something sweet or savory, these meals are quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. So let me know which one you'll try first in the comments below. Don't forget, you gotta like, subscribe, and I would love for you to share this with a couple of your friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know. But I know that I will see you in the next video.